Hello, welcome back. So today we are going to calculate this sum right here. 1 plus 1 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 100 plus 1 divided by 1000, etc., etc. It's an infinite sum with an infinite number of terms. Okay. So first, let me rewrite the sum. So it's 1 plus 1 tenth plus 1 tenth square plus 1 tenth cube plus 1 tenth to the 4 plus an infinite number of terms. Okay, so it's a sum of powers of 1/10. Okay, so this sum here, let's write, okay, 1/10 equals to r. Okay, so we can rewrite this sum, and we are going to stop at a random number n. Okay, so we are going to write Sn equals 1 plus r plus r square plus until r to the n minus 1 plus r to the n. Okay. And the infinite sum is a limit, basically. Limit when n goes to infinite of Sn. Okay, that's the infinite sum that we had right here. Okay, so let's write Sn plus let's write r multiplied by Sn. So we have r plus r square plus etc. plus r n plus r to the n plus 1. So now if you subtract Sn, if you subtract Rsn from Sn, okay, let's write Sn minus Rsn. You will have a lot of terms who will disappear, okay, because you have 1 plus r minus r, so the r disappears, plus r square, let me move here, plus r square minus r square, so this term vanishes as well, until, so r to the n minus 1 will vanish as well, And here you have r to the n minus r to the n. So it vanishes as well. Okay, and we are left with only two terms that I am going to write. So it is 1 minus r to the n plus 1. Okay. So only this term right here and this one are left. Okay. So now we can factorize the left part of the equation by Sn. So we will have Sn multiplied by 1 minus r equals to 1 minus r to the n plus 1. So this is r. And then we can divide both sides by 1 minus r. So we have Sn equals 1 minus r to the n plus 1 divided by 1 minus r. Okay, so now we have an expression of Sn, so it's the sum until n. So let's calculate the limit now. Let's calculate limit of Sn when n goes to infinite. So remember that r equals 1/10. That is inferior to 1, strictly. So when you put 1/10 to the power of n, when n goes to the infinite, n to the power, n to the exponent n plus 1 will go to 0. Okay. Because you have to the power of 1, you have 1/10. Then you have to the exponent 2, you have 1. 10 squared equals 1 divided by 100. And then you have 1 divided by 1000. So it is going to 0 here. Okay. So r plus 1 go to 0 when n goes to infinite. Okay. So we will be left with 1 divided by 1 minus r, which is 1 divided by 1 minus 1/10. Okay, so let's calculate this fraction. The denominator can be rewritten as 1 divided by, so 1 is 10 divided by 10, so we can rewrite the denominator as 10 minus 1 divided by 10, which is 10 over divided by 9. Okay. So that's our answer. Thanks for watching and see you later. Goodbye.